In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets. We'll start on the Monday.com homepage. Once you're signed in, look along the top bar for the small puzzle piece icon. That opens the Apps Marketplace, where you can find add-ons that connect your boards to other tools. When the Marketplace loads, you can browse categories if you'd like, but to move quickly, use the search bar and type Google Sheet. You'll see several options. The one we're using is called Google Sheet Automations Plus. Click it to open the apps page where you can review what it does, typical use cases, and the permissions it needs so there are no surprises later. Click Install App. Monday.com will ask where to make this app available. You can install it for all workspaces, which lets everyone on your account access it, or for specific workspaces if you want tighter control and a smaller rollout. For this walkthrough, choose all workspaces, then confirm by clicking Install. This keeps things simple and ensures the app is available wherever you might need it. Next, choose exactly where you want to use the app. Pick a workspace, then pick the board that will sync with Google Sheets. Select the board that holds the items and columns you care about, and then click Add App. This places the app in context on that board so you can configure it without hunting around. You'll now see the board, and the app will offer a ready-made setup. Select the option labeled Your Template here. This template is designed to pair smoothly with Google Sheets, using standard columns and statuses to make mapping straightforward. Click Use Template to add it to your account. You can customize names, fields, and views later. The goal right now is to get a working baseline that proves the connection. That's the core flow. Open Monday.com, go to the Marketplace via the puzzle icon, search for Google Sheet, open Google Sheet Automations Plus, install it for all workspaces, choose the workspace and board, add the app, and apply the provided template. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the puzzle icon or the install button, your admin may restrict app installations, so you'll need approval. Installing to all workspaces is convenient, but if you're testing, consider using a dedicated workspace first. And if your board already has data, create a backup or duplicate before experimenting with automations just in case. Once the template is in place, you're ready to follow the app's on-screen prompts to finalize your sync settings. And that's how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets using the Marketplace app.